make an Amazon package pretty. First, we taped our design. Next, we chose our paints. And finally, we painted the box. Last step, we pull off the tape.
Yeah, just pull slow. You're doing great. You can go like that and bunch it together too. See, go ahead.
It goes all the way around.
It's okay, we get it.
Spray painted.
He doesn't have to wrap it. He's just
Yeah.
spray painting.
Yeah. What's inside this?
A neck massager for Mom's birthday.
A neck massager? Ooh, the tag.
It's okay. Hold it tight. Push down tight. Push down harder. Push down harder. Hold.
Juliana, come on.
Hold tight. Yeah, there you go. Good job. There you go. Now look, you didn't have to wrap it. Little.
This one goes all the way around.
And we can make it better next time, right?
So,
Okay, so say over and out. Over and out.
over and out.